Design and make your own cards to give to your family and loved ones with the 20-minute studio card making set by Faber-Castell Creative Studio. The 20-minute studio card making set includes 5 Gold Faber Aqua watercolor pencils, a Pitt Artist pen, 5 mixed media stencil designs, 5 cards and envelopes, a paintbrush, 1 sheet of transfers, a wood stick, and design guide. Creating a card with this kit is easy. First, place a stencil over your card. Here we use the Thanks a Bunch design. Use the Pitt Artist pen to trace just the words. Next, place the other floral stencil towards the top of your card and trace over it with the Pitt Artist pen. Lightly shade in a striped pattern around the sentiment. Use a wet paintbrush to turn the pencil shading into watercolor washes. Then let it dry. Add color to the sentiment and go over it with a clean wet paintbrush. Stay inside the lines for a cleaner look. For the flowers, add colors using the pencils. This time, go over it with a wet paintbrush and move outside of the lines. This will give you a more painterly look. Next, fill in the remaining details with color. Make sure the colors are nice and dark since they won't be getting any water detail. You can also use the included transfers to add illustrated images. Simply peel away the backer and rub on with the enclosed wooden stick. You can add color to your illustrations with the Gold Faber watercolor pencils. Adding illustration elements and designs to your cards for a professional look is super simple with the 20-minute studio card making set by Faber-Castell Creative Studio. You can find stencils, transfers, as well as more colors and nib varieties of Pitt Artist pens and Gold Faber Aqua watercolor pencils in the art aisle of your arts and crafts retailer.